Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We have here Stars and Stripes Harley-Davidson dealership, a new bike to our used bike inventory, an FXBBS. That is a Street Bob special in Fastback blue. Absolutely amazing color here with 114 cubic inch Milwaukee-Eight engine from 2022. A lot of power here with only 22 miles, extremely low miles. It's bone stock, waiting for you to claim it. We can and try and will try to certify it. Nothing has we're going to do a fluid change. That's about it. Get this puppy on the floor for you so you can give her a nice test ride. Let's go through some of the features. The Bob fenders, the rubber gaiters, the aluminum cast wheels, the Brembo brakes. You know, you got a thinner front tire, so it's a little easier to turn as opposed to a Fat Bob. We have LED headlights and very simple front end, which I've seen a lot of people do a lot of things to it. You know, add a windshield, rake it out, change the bars. But I think this is a quite comfortable four stock. You're sitting on this with a upright seating position, and again, only 22 miles here just to show you, and then I'll show you the LED headlights. Quite bright for visibility. Very small dash to let you know what's going on with the vehicle. With the brights, the turn signals, all of these things are shown. Let me zoom in here. Focus a bit. These two lights do come on. Check engine and the oil lights. Once you get started and go to over, I believe, 10 miles an hour, they should vanish, and will, because we're going to make this right. You can change from the mileage, the odometer, to trip A and B, as well as the range, an estimation of how much the gas is going to take you, based on your past movements. The clock, and of course the RPMs. Let me show you the lights here. Turn on the hazards real quick. Bright LEDs. Otherwise we have the halogens there. And as the turn signal, and in the rear as well. They got a Bob fenders both in the front and the back. Got a crosstalk with the exhaust here, the stock exhaust, helping back pressure, solo seat, and a passenger pillion with the passenger pegs. The driver pegs are in a mid to forward, right in the middle, I think, not quite under you, but mid-mount range. Forward mounts would fit right into here if you are taller. What else is going on here? We got 2 keys and a 5 with 2 keys. You could lock the 4 locks here, and the security fob for the remote start. Let's see. So it does have a 6-speed transmission and a belt-driven final drive. 114 derby cover here. Let's get this puppy started. Before I do, please hit the subscribe, hit the bell to subscribe, like the video, and comment below. Thanks so much. It's in neutral. It is a cold start. I'm not taking it past 3,000 RPMs, but there you go. That's the beautiful sound there made by the stock components. Coming by for a test ride today. You will not regret it. It's the only way to figure out what a Harley-Davidson really feels like. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the whip.